Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add app limits in screen time on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down and click the app limits. Then in the app limits, click the add limit. Then in this part, you can choose the applications that you want to add on your application limits. For example, you want to add social, then click. Then select the Facebook or Messenger. Just put a check mark on the small circle on the side. Then if you're done, just click this next. Then change the schedule time that you want. Then after that, click add. And your app limits is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added app limits in screen time on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!